Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen that we have added the paintings for the interior walls of the living room and the bedroom and the other bathrooms and also the kids bedroom also. Okay, so in this video we will be adding the paintings for the kitchen and next for this dining hall also. Okay, so for that purpose let me go here in camera view, click on this camera option. Okay, so after clicking on the camera option, let us take this view. Okay, and next let us click on this realistic option. Okay, so next click on here in paint option. Okay, the paint will be given, so here it has already been selected, default selected in the last video. Okay, so again if you want I can select it, and the same way I am giving here. Okay, so here it has been given. Okay, in the same way here also I am giving. Okay, so and next we will be going in this after the kitchen has been completed, we will be going for this dining hall where we will be adding the paintings for this all of this walls. Okay, so for that click on this camera option and next click on this okay, and the same way let us drag this and click on this. Okay, next click on this here in realistic option. The realistic option will be given. Okay, so here we have to add the paintings. So for that click on this paint option here. After clicking on the paint option, click on this default mass interior. It has already been selected, so I am directly selecting this. So here you can see that it has been selected. For this here, okay, so here after this let us view in this other view also. Before that let me click on this modify option. For this wall, so we will be going to give in the okay, so let us click on this ground level again, and we will be adding the paintings for this type also for here also. So click on this 3D view, click on this camera view here. So I am clicking on this and let us click on this realistic option. So here the realistic will be given. Okay, so next click on this paint option here. Okay, it has already been selected, so I am giving here. So the same way I am giving here also. Okay, so here how it has been given. Okay, so in the ground level, after selecting it ground level, again let me view this in this view. Let us click on this realistic option here. So here you can see the painting has not been after the completion of the painting has been completed. So we will be adding the intros here. Okay, so for that click on this architecture option, click on this component option. Okay, and next directly click on this load family here. In load family we will be containing different types of components. Okay, so for that here I am going in intros option. Here in intros option we will be containing characters like male, female, etc. Okay, so for that let us click on this male character and click on this open option here. Let it be open. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to paste that intros here. Okay, so for that let us paste it. Okay, so let me place it here. Okay, in the same way let us place it here also. So again let us load this component and let us give this female also. For that click on this load family, next click on this intro option here and click on this female, click on open option here. Okay, and next let us place it here. Okay, in the same way let us place it here also. Outside let us give here the male character. For that click on this one. Remember that if you want to take a character, then if it has been already been given in this properties window, then it will not be loaded in this load family when you click on it. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so the intros has been given. Next let us give the car intros also. Okay, for the placement of the car. Okay, so click on this load family here. So click on this component, click on load family here. So here click on this intros option here. Okay, click on this will be containing different types. So I am clicking on this vehicle car will be given. Okay, click on open option here. Okay, so after clicking on the open option let it be open here. So here it has been given. Okay, so after giving it let us click on this next we have to click on this cancel option. Okay, let us view in this 3D view. Okay, so let us click on this and directly the view will be opened for this 3D view. So let it be loaded. Can see, so here you can see that the intros have been given. Okay, so the intros have been given. see. Okay, so if you want, you can give the intros have been given. If you want, you can give the trees etc. also. Okay, so for that let us give the trees also. For that, go to here in architecture. In the same way, click on this component option here. Next, click on this load family here. Okay, so in this will be containing different ones. So here directly we have to take on this planting option here. So here will be containing different kinds of plants here. So here you can see. Okay, so I am selecting this shrub. Okay, so click on this open option here. Okay, let it be loaded. Okay, so here you can see the how you can place it here. Okay, so I am placing it here. Okay, click on escape option. Okay, so here the shrub has been added. Okay, so if you want, you can change this shrub in the anywhere you want. Okay, so all the painting work and all the intros and walls etc. all of this work has been given. Okay, so our next step is that we have to render this one. Okay, so in the rendering means we can view this plan in image type. Okay, so for that, so we have to click on this view option and next click on this render option and we have to render here. Okay, so before that let me add the street lights, that means the exterior lights, so that it will be visible for us clearly in the night also. Okay, so for that go here in architecture. Okay, next click on this component, click on this place a component, and in the same way click on this load family here. Okay, after the load family click on this lighting will be given. Okay, here you can see the lighting will be given. Click on this architectural lighting. So I am selecting here external lighting. Okay, we will be containing different types of lightnings here. Okay, so I am selecting this street light, antique and exterior will be containing different types, but here I am selecting bollard light. Click on this one. So we have to place the lightings. Okay, so for that let me give this into the, instead of realistic, let us give it into the wireframe option, so that the loading pressure which is putting on the system will be down. Okay, so I am placing it so here. Here and next click on this escape option here. Okay, so here it has been given. Okay, so let us view in this realistic option. Our view will be particular here. Okay, so for that, so here the street lights have been given. Okay, for the exterior lighting we have given. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to render this view. That means we have to view this one. Okay, so here it will be containing. So as I have earlier told you that we have to render it. So here I am clicking on this render one. Okay, next I am clicking on this medium option. Okay, and next I am clicking on exterior artificial only. Okay, so that means this lighting will be given. Okay, So click on this render option here. Okay, so here you can see that the rendering will be carried out. Okay, so now I am skipping the video until the rendering completes. Okay.